Ngibingelele lo khulumayo uMandla Ngubane ongunobhala we-MKSM la e-DUT Durban branch. E-Durban branch sine-ML Sultan, i-Ritson campus, Steve Biko ne-City campus ne-Brickfield. Iwona ama-campus esinawo la ngunobhala wakhona. Namhlanje ngoba siqala nje uzoqala umcimbi i-MK la siyabalanda khona program esihlelile MKSM bamsene ne-MK Motherboard. Sahanjelo Secretary General ubaba Sibonelo Nomvalo okhona ngapha. Sizokhuluma nabafundi ukuthi sobagqugquzela ngokubaleka kokuvota abafundi abaningi ngoba sazi ukuthi la eThekwini iningi intsha abafundi e-DUT abakhona la eDurban abalela 29,000 labo bafundi. Manje usuku lwanamhlanje ukuthi kuzogqugquzela labo bakhona ukuthi behambe botshela abahlana bezindlini ukuthi kubalekile ukubhalisela ukuvota ngoba siya kuma-local elections nge-4 November. Ilokho izwe solidlulisa namhlanje ukuthi intsha legcwele ngapha ngoba amandla amaningi aselentsheni ukuthi abaqale belungiselela ukubhalisela ukuvota. Khona kuyona intsha namhlanje obiyona kusasa ezobihamba holi ilokho esizokushumayela namhlanje ukuthi.
So we're saying that Tina is the MKSM. Education currently is not free. Comrade Jacob Zuma at the time was removed of being the president. Promised us free education. So you find ukuthi umuntu ophase kahle esikoleni akakwazi uku-admitwa high learning institution. Why? Because akanawo ama-funds okuthi angene. So the first thing efanezeke ukuthi kukhishwe this government of the ANC, so we'll be able ukuthi MK party ikwazi ukuyoshintsha lawo ma-policy lawo, ikwazi ukuyofaka ama-systems and policies that will ensure ukuthi education is free.
Wonke ama-members e-MKSM, sibingelele wonke amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party nawonke ama-leagues akhona enhlanganweni. Igama nguLethani Sibanga wakwaNduma. I am the national chairperson of umkhonto wesizwe student movement. No, okwethu nje comrades is not too much. Sifisa ukubonga yona yonke i-attendance yanamhlanje. The program was successful, everyone was happy, everyone uphume edlile. Angisho ukudla-ke lokhu kwesizwe, but ngisho ukudla komphefumulo nokudla kwengqondo. Esifisa ukugcizelela kubona wonke ama-students across the whole country. Wonke ama-students awaphume ngobuningi bawo. Abazibambele ngokwawo njengamanje. Hambe yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi they put an X next to every candidate of umkhonto wesizwe party. Comrade, in 2024, amavote ethu is stolen. But in 2026, comrade, we must ensure that we safeguard our vote, because when we safeguard our vote, we are actually expressing our voices. So let us ensure, comrades, we take care of our votes, we ensure that our votes are not stolen, and then umkhonto wesizwe uzophatha, umkhonto wesizwe uzokhulula abantu bakithi. Kuba nabonke omasipala baka-ensure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe siyawuvotela, umkhonto wesizwe iyalithatha ukhetho ngokuphelele.
Asibingelele igama umthobisi waDlamini. I'm the Secretary General of umkhonto wesizwe student movement. So today bokuyi-program ye-branch ase-DUT isiyabalanda ngani la ekade sizobiza khona wonke ama-students sizowenza aware ukuthi kumele ngomhla ka-4 November 2026 bavotele umkhonto wesizwe party, nanokuthi they must be members of umkhonto wesizwe students movement. Then u-SG ubeke esebanikeza i-address about ama-issues that are facing i-country yethu, izinto ezenza ukuthi wona as abafundi kumele bebe ama-members bomkhonto wesizwe student movement. I-program nje was about that.
No, for our students, we were encouraging them, number one, to associate themselves with politics on campus, because there is a wrong impression that politics are meant for certain individuals, whereas they affect all of us. because politics are about influencing regime change. And also they are about decision makings in various institutions, in the municipalities and in departments. So in one way or the other, politics affect all of us. So that is why it's important that we nurture students while they are still on campus. So we came here to support our wing, which is the student movement, which we believe that is an intellectual hub of the MK party. It's an intellectual hub because that is where you get all the necessary platform you need to groom young leaders, but also to infuse some incisiveness of leadership in them. Because if you don't find them here, it's difficult to find them in the communities because they are all over the place, they are scattered. But here, they are organized. You can just call them, organize a bus to go fetch them, and when they get here, you just preach the message that you want to preach. So in June next month, we're going to have a voter registration weekend. We came to also encourage them to go out in numbers to preach that gospel to people who have not yet registered for voting, to go register on the 20th and the 21st of June. But also we came to pledge our support to the student movement now as a wing of the MK party, to say to them we are with you in whatever we are doing because we understand the injustices and the struggles that you are facing on a daily basis on campus. The struggle of shortage of residencies, the struggle of NSFAS that delays sometimes to pay their allowances, their tuition, their meals and so on. We said we come to introduce here the voice of the voiceless in the name of the MK party, and that is the student movement. And we say to the student movement, whatever they do on campus, they must always consider the best interest of students, and they must do it at the behest of the principles of the organization.
If you don't stand up, nothing will change. If you don't speak up, they stay the same. Your power's your mark, your voice, your name. Register now, take back the flame. We stood in on lies, believe in the dream, but top still empty, light still extreme. Promises made on the big TV screen, but poverty stays where it's always been. We see corruption, we see the lies. We bury our hopes while prices rise. They told us right, we waited years. Now all we carry our unpaid fears. So you say we are fine. I understand you're tired of giving your trust to their hands, but staying away won't fix this land. Power unused still strengthens the brand. Your vote is not small, your silence is loud. History moves when the people are proud. We are fine. We will see